Blackbird by Paul McCartney. And girls, hold on to your seat because he's going to be inviting up one lucky lady.
Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. All right. Hi, guys. How y'all doing? So, like Mr. Mixell said, I'm going to be inviting a special guest up on stage with me. So, Mom, will you come up and join me on stage? So like Mr. Mike said, we're going to be doing Blackbird by Paul McCartney, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hi everyone, you having a good time? This is his song, and I want to say, so far, the contestants have been amazing. Awesome job. Really great. Thank you.